Hi there, welcome back to VCE Master Academy. Today we solve trig equations for every real number, not just between 0 and 2 pi, all of them, forever, in both directions. That sounds like a lot of answers. It is, but one small letter captures them all, the letter K. By the end of this video, K will feel like a friend. Let us begin. First, the big idea. Until now, questions gave you a fence. Solve between 0 and 2 pi. Inside the fence, 2 answers. A short list. Done. But look at the graph on the right. The wave does not stop at 2 pi. It repeats forever. The gold line cuts it again and again. Infinitely many answers. Do not panic. It is a pattern. Know one cycle and you know them all. Here is the tool, the letter K. An integer is any whole number, positive, negative, or 0. K is just a cycle counter. It counts full turns of the wave. One full turn is 2 pi. So plus 2k pi means shift by any number of full turns. Put k equals 1. You move 1 turn forward. Put k equals minus 3. You move 3 turns back. One short line, every answer. Now, sine. Look at the unit circle on the right. Sine is the height. Draw a flat line at height A. It touches the circle twice. One touch is at angle alpha. The other is the mirror angle, pi minus alpha. Same height, 2 angles. So sine gives 2 answers every cycle. Here is the family. X equals alpha plus 2k pi, or x equals pi minus alpha plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Say it slowly. Alpha, pi minus alpha. Add 2k pi to both. Next, cosine. Cosine is the sideways value, the x value. Draw a vertical line. It touches the circle twice. Once above the axis at alpha, once below at minus alpha. A perfect mirror. So cosine has the neatest family of all. X equals 2k pi plus or minus alpha. K is any integer. The plus or minus holds both mirror answers. One line does the work of 2. Last, tangent. Tangent is different. Its period is pi, not 2 pi. It repeats twice as often. Look at the graph. The gold line cuts each branch exactly once. One answer per cycle. So the family is the shortest. X equals alpha plus k pi. K is any integer. Now, here is your method. 4 steps. Every question, the same 4 steps. Find one angle, copy the family, solve for x, add k, any integer. Say it with me. Find one angle, copy the family, solve for x, add k. Let us use it.
Example 1. Easy start. Solve sine of x equals a half for all real x. Step 1. Find one angle. Sine of pi over 6 is a half, so alpha is pi over 6. Step 2. Copy the family. Sine gives alpha and pi minus alpha. Pi minus pi over 6 is 5 pi over 6. Step 3. Solve for x. Already done, it is just x. Step 4. Add k. X equals pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or x equals 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Now look at the graph. Every gold dot sits in one of those 2 families. Here is the habit. A list of 2 answers is not the final answer. The family is. Example 2. Cosine with a negative. Solve cosine of x equals minus root 3 over 2. Find one angle. Cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. We need the minus version, so flip to the other side of the circle. Pi minus pi over 6 is 5 pi over 6, so alpha is 5 pi over 6. Copy the family. Cosine is 2k pi plus or minus alpha. Add k. X equals 2k pi plus or minus 5 pi over 6. K is any integer. One line. Done. Example 3. Tangent. Solve tan of x equals minus 1. Find one angle. Tan of pi over 4 is 1, so tan of minus pi over 4 is minus 1. Alpha is minus pi over 4. A negative alpha is fine. K can walk us anywhere from there. Copy the family. Tangent is alpha plus k pi. add k. X equals minus pi over 4 plus k pi. K is any integer. Check the graph. Put k equals 1. You land on 3 pi over 4. Put k equals 2. 7 pi over 4. Every branch, 1 dot each, all covered. Example 4. Now the angle is dressed up. Solve sine of 2x minus pi over 3 equals root 3 over 2. New rule. First solve the angle, then solve x. Treat the whole bracket as one thing. Call it u. Sine of u equals root 3 over 2. Find one angle, pi over 3. Copy the family. U equals pi over 3 plus 2k pi, or 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Now, solve for x. First family. 2x minus pi over 3 equals pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Add pi over 3 to both sides. 2x equals 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Divide everything by 2. And I mean everything. 2k pi over 2 is k pi. So x equals pi over 3 plus k pi. Second family. Same moves. 2x equals pi plus 2k pi. So x equals pi over 2 plus k pi. Final answer. X equals pi over 3 plus k pi. Or x equals pi over 2 plus k pi. K is any integer. Remember this one. When you divide, the k term gets divided too. Example 5. 2 cos of 3x plus 1 equals 0. Tidy up first. Subtract 1. Divide by 2. Cos of 3x equals minus a half. First, solve the angle. Cosine is minus a half at 2 pi over 3. Copy the family. 3x equals 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Or 3x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Where did 4 pi over 3 come from? It is minus 2 pi over 3 plus 1 full turn. Same family. Friendlier starting point. Now solve for x. Divide everything by 3. X equals 2 pi over 9 plus 2k pi over 3. Or x equals 4 pi over 9 plus 2k pi over 3. K is any integer. Notice the step size. It shrank to 2 pi over 3. The 3 inside squeezed the whole pattern. Example 6. A curveball. 3 sine x minus 1 equals 0. Tidy up. Sine of x equals 1/3. 1/3 is not on the exact values table. No pi over 6, nothing tidy. That is fine. Give the angle a name. Let alpha equal sine inverse of 1/3. That just means the angle whose sine is 1/3. Keep alpha as a symbol. A symbol is exact. A decimal is not. Now copy the family, word for word. X equals alpha plus 2k pi. Or x equals pi minus alpha plus 2k pi. K is any integer, where alpha is sine inverse of 1/3. Same family. New name tag. Example 7. 8R level. Watch the same 4 steps carry us through. 2. Tan of 3x minus pi over 4 minus 2 root 3 equals 0. Tidy up. Add 2 root 3. Divide by 2. Tan of the bracket equals root 3. Find one angle. Tan is root 3 at pi over 3. Copy the family. Tangent steps by pi. So 3x minus pi over 4 equals pi over 3 plus k pi. Now solve for x. Add pi over 4 to both sides. Pi over 3 plus pi over 4. Use twelfths. 4 twelfths plus 3 twelfths is 7 twelfths. 3x equals 7 pi over 12 plus k pi. Divide everything by 3, including the k pi. X equals 7 pi over 36 plus k pi over 3. K is any integer. The fractions look scary. The method is not. Find one angle. Copy the family. Solve for x. Add k. This is the question that separates students at 8R level, and you just did it. Example 8. Our second 8R question. It hides a trap. Solve. Sine of 2x equals cos x. Use the identity. Sine of 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So 2 sine x cos x equals cos x. Now, the trap. Do not divide both sides by cos x. If cos x is 0, you just divided by 0. Worse, you threw away every solution where cos x is 0. Whole families, gone. Instead, factorize. Move everything to one side. Take out the common factor. Cos x times bracket 2 sine x minus 1 equals 0. A product is 0 when either factor is 0. Factor 1. Cos x equals 0. That gives x equals pi over 2 plus k pi. Factor 2. Sine x equals a half. That is example 1 again. Pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Final answer. 3 families. X equals pi over 2 plus k pi, or pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Write this rule in gold in your head. Factorize. Never divide. Example 9. Time to get real. The depth of water in a harbour follows h equals 2 sine of pi t over 6 plus 3. H in meters, t in hours. A boat needs 4 meters. When is h equal to 4? Set it up. 2 sine of pi t over 6 plus 3 equals 4. Tidy up. Subtract 3. Divide by 2. Sine of pi t over 6 equals a half. First, solve the angle. Pi t over 6 equals pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Now solve for t. Multiply everything by 6 over pi. T equals 1 plus 12k, or t equals 5 plus 12k. K is any integer. That is the complete mathematical answer. Look at the graph. 1 o'clock and 5 o'clock, then 13 and 17, then 25 and 29. The tide breathes every 12 hours. Our families catch every breath. One last note. Only now. The clock starts at t equals 0. Negative times mean nothing here. So for the boat, keep k at 0, 1, 2, and so on. Maths first, complete. Physics trims it after. One board, everything on it. Sine gives 2 families, alpha plus 2k pi, and pi minus alpha plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Cosine gives 1 tidy line. 2k pi plus or minus alpha. K is any integer. Tangent gives the shortest. Alpha plus k pi. K is any integer. And the method. Every single time. Find one angle. Copy the family. Solve for x. Add k. When you divide, divide the k term too. If 2 trig functions are multiplied, factorize. Never divide. If the value is not exact, name the angle. Keep it as a symbol. And remember, on the real domain, a short list is never the final answer. K is just a cycle counter. It carries your answer around the circle, forever. Keep this board in your notes. Now it is your turn. 8 questions. They climb the same ladder we climbed. 1, 2, and 3 are the plane families. 4 is a transformed sine. 5 needs a tidy up first. 6 is not on the exact values table. Name your angle. 7 is 8r tangent. 8 is the identity question. Factorize, never divide, and every answer must end with k belongs to the integers, or it is not finished. Pause the video now. Take your time. I will be here when you are ready. Ready? Let us check together. Question 1. Sine of x equals root 3 over 2. Find one angle. Pi over 3. The mirror is pi minus pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. Add k. X equals pi over 3 plus 2k pi, or 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Question 2. Cosine of x equals a half. Alpha is pi over 3. Copy the cosine family. X equals 2k pi plus or minus pi over 3. K is any integer. Question 3. Tan of x equals 1. Alpha is pi over 4. Tangent steps by pi. X equals pi over 4 plus k pi. K is any integer. If you wrote all 3 with k belongs to the integers, well done. That is the habit. Question 4. The transformed sine. Sine of 2x equals a half. First, solve the angle. 2x equals pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Now solve for x. Divide everything by 2, the k term as well. 2k pi over 2 is k pi. X equals pi over 12 plus k pi, or 5 pi over 12 plus k pi. K is any integer. If your answer still says 2k pi, that is the classic slip. The pattern is squashed, so the step shrinks. Question 5. 2 cos x minus root 2 equals 0. Tidy up. Cos x equals root 2 over 2. That is 1 over root 2. So alpha is pi over 4. Copy the family. X equals 2k pi, plus or minus pi over 4. K is any integer. Tidy up first. The family does the rest. Question 6. 4 sine x minus 3 equals 0. So sine of x equals 3/4. Not an exact angle. That is fine. Name it. Alpha equals sine inverse of 3/4. Copy the family. X equals alpha plus 2k pi, or pi minus alpha plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Alpha stays a symbol. Question 7. The 8r tangent. 2. Tan of 2x plus pi over 6 equals 2. Divide by 2. Tan of the bracket equals 1. First solve the angle. 2x plus pi over 6 equals pi over 4 plus k pi. Subtract pi over 6. Pi over 4 minus pi over 6. Twelfths again. 3/12 minus 2/12. Pi over 12. So, 2x equals pi over 12 plus k pi. Divide everything by 2. X equals pi over 24 plus k pi over 2. K is any integer. Small fractions. Steady hands. Same method. And question 8, the big one. Sine of 2x equals root 3 cos x. Use the identity. 2 sine x cos x equals root 3 cos x. Now, be honest. Did you divide by cos x? If you did, go back. You lost a whole family. Factorize instead. Cos x times bracket 2 sine x minus root 3 equals 0. Factor 1. Cos x equals 0. X equals pi over 2 plus k pi. Factor 2. Sine x equals root 3 over 2. Pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Or 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. 3 families. X equals pi over 2 plus k pi. Or pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Or 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Every single one matters. If you got all 3, you are working at 8R level right now. Genuinely well done. And that is general solutions. 3 families, sine, alpha, and pi minus alpha, plus 2k pi. Cosine, 2k pi plus or minus alpha. Tangent, alpha plus k pi. Always with k, any integer. And the 4 steps. Find one angle. Copy the family. Solve for x. Add k. Do not panic. It is just a repeating pattern. And now you own it. You're mastering VCE Maths, one concept at a time. See you in the next lesson at VCE Master Academy.